How artificial intelligence is changing the world. Artificial intelligence (AI) is no longer just a concept from science fiction, it is an integral part of our daily lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and automated medical diagnoses, AI is revolutionizing industries, economies, and societies. This article explores how artificial intelligence is transforming different sectors, its benefits, challenges, and the future it holds. The impact of AI across various sectors. 1. Healthcare. AI is making groundbreaking advancements in healthcare. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical data to detect diseases early, assist in diagnosis, and personalize treatment plans. AI-powered robots are being used in surgeries, reducing the risk of human error. Moreover, AI-driven chatbots and virtual health assistants help patients schedule appointments, manage medications, and provide basic medical consultations, improving healthcare accessibility and efficiency. 2. Education. AI is revolutionizing education by personalizing learning experiences. Intelligent tutoring systems adapt to students' learning styles, providing customized resources and feedback. AI also automates administrative tasks such as grading and attendance tracking, allowing educators to focus more on teaching. Virtual classrooms powered by AI enable remote learning, making education accessible to people worldwide. 3. Business and finance. AI is transforming the business world by automating routine tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and enhancing decision-making. In finance, AI-powered algorithms detect fraudulent transactions, predict market trends, and optimize investment strategies. Chatbots and virtual assistants improve customer service by providing instant support, while AI-driven analytics help businesses understand consumer behavior and develop better marketing strategies. 4. Transportation. The transportation industry is experiencing a major shift with AI-driven technologies. Self-driving cars, developed by companies like Tesla and Waymo, aim to reduce accidents and improve road safety. AI also optimizes traffic management systems, reducing congestion and travel time. Additionally, logistics and supply chain operations benefit from AI-powered route optimization and predictive maintenance, enhancing efficiency and reducing costs. 5. Manufacturing and automation. AI-driven automation is reshaping the manufacturing industry by increasing productivity and reducing operational costs. Robots powered by AI handle repetitive tasks with precision, ensuring consistent quality. Predictive maintenance using AI detects potential machine failures before they occur, preventing downtime. Smart factories equipped with AI enhance efficiency, safety, and sustainability in production processes. 6. Entertainment and media. The entertainment industry is leveraging AI to create personalized content recommendations, enhance visual effects, and even generate music and art. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to analyze user preferences and suggest relevant content. AI-powered tools also assist filmmakers in editing videos and creating realistic digital characters, revolutionizing the creative process. 7. Security and surveillance. AI plays a crucial role in enhancing security and surveillance. Facial recognition technology helps identify individuals in crowded places, improving public safety. AI-powered cybersecurity systems detect and prevent cyber threats in real time, protecting sensitive data. Additionally, AI-driven predictive policing tools assist law enforcement agencies in analyzing crime patterns and allocating resources effectively. Benefits of AI. 1. Increased efficiency and productivity. AI automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing businesses and individuals to focus on more complex and creative work. This leads to increased efficiency and higher productivity levels. 2. Improved decision making. AI processes vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing valuable insights for decision making. In industries like finance, healthcare, and logistics, AI-driven analytics help optimize operations and improve outcomes. 3. Enhanced customer experience. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant responses to customer inquiries, improving user experience. Personalized recommendations based on AI analysis enhance customer satisfaction in e-commerce and entertainment platforms. 4. Advancements in medicine and healthcare. AI's ability to analyze medical data and detect diseases at an early stage saves lives. It also aids in drug discovery, making the development of new treatments faster and more cost-effective. 5. Greater accessibility. AI-powered tools like speech recognition and language translation help break down communication barriers. Assistive technologies powered by AI support individuals with disabilities, improving their quality of life. Challenges and ethical concerns. 1. Job displacement. As AI automates tasks traditionally performed by humans, there is a growing concern about job losses. While AI creates new job opportunities, the transition may require workforce reskilling and adaptation. 2. Data privacy and security. AI relies on vast amounts of data, raising concerns about data privacy and security. Companies must implement strong data protection measures to prevent unauthorized access and misuse of personal information. 3. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit biases from training data, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI decision-making is a critical challenge. 4. Ethical dilemmas. AI raises ethical questions, such as the use of autonomous weapons and surveillance technologies. Policymakers and researchers must establish guidelines to ensure AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. The future of AI. The future of AI is filled with possibilities. Continued advancements in AI research will lead to more sophisticated and ethical AI systems. Some potential developments include general AI. Unlike current AI, which is task-specific, general AI would possess human-like intelligence, enabling it to perform a wide range of tasks autonomously. AI and human collaboration. AI will augment human capabilities rather than replace them, leading to more efficient teamwork between humans and machines. AI for sustainability. AI will play a crucial role in addressing global challenges such as climate change, resource optimization, and environmental conservation. Regulation and ethics. Governments and organizations will establish frameworks to ensure responsible AI development and usage. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is undeniably transforming the world, bringing significant benefits and challenges. From healthcare and education to business and entertainment, AI is reshaping industries and enhancing human experiences. However, ethical considerations and responsible AI development are essential to ensure its positive impact on society. As AI continues to evolve, embracing its potential while addressing its challenges will shape a future where humans and AI coexist harmoniously.